Welcome viewers. In this video we will see the octal to decimal conversion of octal number system to decimal number system. The octal means base 8 and decimal means base 10, converting from base 8 to base 10. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. First we will see the example 1. 237.45 is the octal number. The base is 8 given is octal number. We will convert into decimal number. So what we got? 159.578. So this octal number, while converting into decimal, we got 159.578. We will see how we are got this value. Right. First write the octal number 237.45. Right. So this is the number of 237.45. Then how will you convert this? This is coming under multiplication, successive multiplication. We need to multiply with the given weightage. The weightage available here is for octal number is 8. So it should be multiplied with 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2. While going this side, 8 power minus 1, 8 power minus 2. Right? Octal is base 8. So it should be multiplied by 8 power starting from 0, 1, 2, this side minus 1, minus 2. Right. So 2 into 8 power 2. We need to multiply these consecutive digits. 2 into 8 power 2 plus 3 into 8 power 1 plus 7 into 8 power 0. Right. So these are all consecutive digits are multiplied. Dot 4 into 8 power minus 1. 5 into 8 power minus 2. Right. So this is whole number. This is decimal number digit. Right. So 2 into 8 power 2, 8 power square, 8 power 2 means 64. 3 into 8 power 1 means 8. 7 into 8 power 0 means 8 power 0 equal to 1. So 4 into 8 power minus 1, we can write 4 divided by 8. 8 power minus 1 while going to the denominator, it become 8. Similarly, 5 divided by 8 power minus 2 can be written as 1 divided by 8 power 2. 8 power 2 is 64. So 5 divided by 64. When 8 power minus 2 will go to the denominator, it become 8 power 2. 8 power 2 means 8 square. 8 square is 64. Now we got this value 2 into 64, 3 into 8, 7 into 1 dot 4 by 8 plus 5 divided by 64. Now we can simplify this value, right? So 2 into 64 is nothing but 128. 3 into 8 is 24 plus 7, right? 2 into 64, 128, 3 into 8, 24, 7 into 1, 7. So 4 divided by 8 is 0.5. Similarly, 5 divided by 64 is 0.078. We got this value. Now we can add all these values. We can add these 3 values and we can add these 2 values. So 128 plus 24 plus 7 is 159. Similarly, 0.5 plus 0.078 is 0.578. Right. So while combining this value, it is 159.578 base 10. Right. So this is the by decimal equivalent of the given octal number 159.578. Right. How we are doing? So we starting from here, octal number we need to convert into decimal. So octal is base 8. So it is multiplied with 8 power 0 starting from 0. 8 power 1, 8 power 2. This side 8 power minus 1, 8 power minus 2, minus 3 like that. Then we need to multiply these consecutive values, and while adding this side and this side separately, we got the final value. Now we'll go to the second example. In the second example, the octal number given is 121.231. This octal number should be converted into decimal 121.231. So while converting, what we got? 81.298775. We got this value. We will see how we are got this decimal value while converting from octal to decimal, which is the answer. We will see how we got this answer. Now we will write the octal number 121. This given octal number is written 121.231. Right. So this is the normal number. This is coming under points, decimal points, right? So 121.231. So this conversion coming under successive multiplication. We need to multiply with the weightage. What is the weightage? For octal number, the weightage is 8. So we multiply with the 8 power 0. Starting from 8 power 0, this 1 should be multiplied with 8 power 0. This 2 should be multiplied with 8 power 1. This 1 should be multiplied by 8 power 2. Right? So 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2. So while going this side, decimal points, it is 8 power minus 1. Here 0, 1, 2. Here minus 1, 8 power minus 1, 8 power minus 2, 8 power minus 3. Right? It is going in a reverse order. Power, negative powers. So 0, 1, 2, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Right? Now we will multiply these digits. 1 into 8 power 2. 2 into 8 power 1. 1 into 8 power 0. 2 into 8 power 1. 3 into 8 power 2. 1 into 8 power minus 3. Right? So these digits are multiplied. So we wrote the octal number first, then we wrote the weightage starting from here 0, 1 to this side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and these corresponding digits are multiplied. Now we'll go for the further simplification. 1 into 8 power 2 is 64. 2 into 8 power 1 is 8. 1 into 8 power 0 means 1. It is 1. Right. Then 2 into 8 power minus 1. This 8 power minus 1 while going to the denominator, it become 1 by 8. 8 power plus 1. Right. Similarly, 3 into 8 power minus 2. 8 power minus 2 is nothing but 1 divided by 8 power 2. 1 divided by 8 power 2 is 8 square is 64. Similarly, 1 into 8 power minus 3 is nothing but 1 divided by 8 power 3. While going to the denominator, it become plus. 1, 8 power 3 is nothing but 512, 512. Right? So while going this, all these values, while going to the denominator, it become positive. 8 power 1, 8 power 2, 8 power 3. 8 power 1 is 8, 8 power 2 is 64, 8 power 3 is 512. This numerator value, while going to the denominator, it become positive. Now we can go for further simplification. 1 into 64 is 64. 2 into 8 is 16. 1 into 1 is 1. Right? 64 plus 16 plus 1. This 1 into 8 power 0. That's 2 divided by 8 is nothing but 0.25. 3 divided by 64. 0.046875. Then 1 divided by 512. 0.0019. Right? So these values also simplified. These values also simplified. Now we need to add these values alone and these values alone separately. These values should be added separately. After decimal, these values are added separately. So 64 plus 16 plus 1 is nothing but it is 81. Then 0.25 plus 0.046875 plus 0.0019. While adding these three, what we got? 0.298775. So this is nothing but the decimal equivalent of a given octal number, right? 81.298775. So in this video, we discussed the two examples for converting octal to decimal number. Other number system also available in the consecutive videos. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.